Hello and welcome to this demonstration of an advanced feature of the MolCube API, the Membrane Builder. The Membrane Builder is a powerful solution for automatically constructing complex membrane protein systems, which are essential for realistic simulations. It takes a prepared protein and embeds it within a custom lipid bilayer. Today, we'll walk through the entire workflow, from aligning a protein to packing lipids and generating the final simulation-ready system. The Jupyter script for the Membrane Builder is available on GitHub. Please find the link in the description. Let's get started. First, it is necessary to install the MolCube Python package required to use the API. The pip install command is used to install the latest version. After the package is installed, the next step is to connect to the API server and authenticate with user credentials. The most important feature of the Membrane Builder is that it uses the output of a PDB Reader job as its input. By passing the project ID of a previously completed PDB Reader job as a parameter to the create project function, the workflow seamlessly continues from the structure that PDB Reader has already modeled. Once the project is created, we proceed with the core steps of membrane simulation setup. First, we call the align membrane protein function to automatically align the protein to the membrane plane along the z-axis, ensuring its correct orientation. Second, we use the generate lipid packing function to create an environment that mimics a real cell membrane. In this example, we've configured it to pack POPC and cholesterol lipids in a 9:1 ratio around the protein. After lipid packing is complete, we clean up the structure with replace packing, and finally call generate system to add water and ions to the system. This creates a complete membrane protein system that is ready for simulation. When all jobs are finished, the final results can be downloaded using Download System. All of these complex steps executed via the API can also be visualized and tracked on the MolCube web dashboard. By logging in, you can see the membrane project we just created, monitor the progress of each stage, and inspect the final structure.